Sorry, have you been in that situation before? I can't see my period.
My pull-out game, they fast.
Now, this is a video of how a woman gives birth. So, Cheekah, I want to ask you this question. Can you be in that theater room where your wife is giving birth?
Of course I can. No.
Can you be there?
Although I've had so many, very horrible experiences. I've had so many. Like people saying, if you did that, she could drag. I mean, people say I get full hair. They drag your hair like this. They pull them everywhere. And so I think that's one of all those things. But still, the joy of having a child. When you get money. It's sweet.
When you get money.
When you get money. There's this joy they follow. I'm
telling you.
Yes, if you don't get money and you hear say your wife
heart attack
wants to put to bed. Hey!
No, not put to bed. Just be like say one kid the man.
Yeah.
You know when that situation you say you and girl don't finish ministry work.
She just will tell you.
And she just tell you say I can't see my period. Sorry, have you been in that situation before? I can't see my period.
My pull-out game, they fast.
This guy, is it this guy? I love this guy.
No, I'm doing
this guy
right now.
This guy is bad.
That's
bad guy.
I don't know. You know, every time you say rubber where I use balls, or you tell me say I did not see my that place where they go find out more.
Because
right now I'm not encouraging unprotected sex or any other thing. But the thing is, in such situation, I know fit day where my wife they give birth. Because first of all, it's not like I get irritated easily. You see, I know they like see person in pain. All those trauma to push something that is times 2 or times 3 the size of you coming out. No. Because sometimes when you dey downstairs, you would hear the shouts. And when they hear the shout, now imagine somebody they shout like that. Imagine the pain.
Well, for me, first of all, I want to say every woman out there, you guys are doing a great job. It's not easy to be a woman.
True.
And I'm giving you guys. You guys are doing a great job. But talking about me being in the theater room when she's giving birth, I'm gonna be there. Like one of the things I told my mom earlier on was I just want to experience how my wife will give birth to my own children. Because I think when I'm there, most times when you see guys that misbehave, they don't understand the importance or the pain they go through childbirth. You see some guys just slap their wife, beat their wife. I get even when after their wife finish giving birth to their children. But for me, I just want to have that experience. I want to know how it is. You get. So for me, I know it's not funny at all. It's not easy. So when I'm going, I'm in for any drama. If now my head go to drag, I go there they ginger you. I just want to be there, and I know that women is a blessing to man. Cheekah, imagine life without women.
I guess use video. But nowadays, I don't understand because you see people they carry sex all up and down. I tell you.
Life now, no, women they don't get competitor now.
So many competitors.
Who are you with? You're with that dollar.
I'm telling you.
Still don't dull, guys.
Still don't dull. Still don't dull. Bad guy.